Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlike all the reels on Instagram at once. So if you feel you want to unlike or unlove the reels that you already liked before, you can access it like history or like archive on this Instagram app. So now first thing to do, you can open your Instagram app, and also you can tap on your profile, tap three stripe at the top of your screen, and this is the settings and activity. So in order to access the reels that you already liked before, you can click or tap your activity and tap on interactions likes. Here, this is the archive. When you like the post or like the reels before, and here you can try to filter it. There is a sub filter here like newest to oldest and all content types. So you can break down all content types and just untick the post and leave it the reels. Now apply, and here all the reels that you like before. So you can delete all the reels that you like all at once by tap on clear all. Or if this clear all not function, you can tap one by one, just tap select. Now you can tap one by one. Then you can tap unlike the reels. So let's do it one more time. You can go to the settings and activity by accessing your Instagram profile. Tap three stripe at the top of your screen, and now you can access your activity. You can tap it and tap likes. Here all the archives are all the posts and reels that you liked before. You can try to filter it by tap on all content types and untick the post box and leave it be the reels option here, apply. So this is all the reels that you've liked before, and you can tap on select and select one by one to unlike it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.